guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. If you didn't know, I am on a weight loss journey. I did lose 10 pounds and now I've been able to keep it off. My journey is not over, not even close, but I'm not necessarily just trying to lose weight. My goal here is to just live a really healthy lifestyle and tone my body. So I would like to lower my body fat percentage, but not necessarily lose weight. So if I can lower my fat but gain some muscle and stay the same weight, stay the same number on the scale, that is perfect. A lot of times we just want to lose weight and become skinny, but that's not the real goal. The real goal that you want to have is to just live a healthy lifestyle. So like I said, I have lost 10 pounds and have maintained that. I haven't gained it back. So I thought I would share with you 5 main tips that I have done and that worked for me and that can work for you too. Weight loss can be simple. Sometimes it can be very complicated in our minds. There's so many different factors to think of because it's true, there are so many different things that influence your weight loss journey. But sometimes you just need to stick to the basics and really concentrate on a couple things so you can really nail those down and then later on go into more specifics. But anyway, I don't want to make this intro too long. Before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and of course subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I do upload twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays. So if you want to know the 5 tips that I have to share with you today to lose weight or just maintain a healthy lifestyle, go ahead and keep on watching. If you see me looking at my phone, it's just because I did write everything that I have to say here in my notes. But the first thing that came to my mind when I was making my tips was that you need to higher your intake of water. Now I know that sounds like the most basic tip there is out there. I know you've heard it already 10 times, but it's really important and I want you to know why it is so important. First of all, if we just start off with losing weight, to lose weight, you need to be on a calorie deficit. That is the only way that you will scientifically, it is just proven that that is the way you will lose weight. You can kind of look at calories like energy. Your body every single day uses energy, right? For your metabolism, to just do everything you need to do in a day. Take a walk from here to the kitchen, go for a walk. Anything you need to do, it's your body using up energy to do so, right? So to be in a calorie deficit, you need to intake less calories than what your body is using every single day. There are so many calorie calculators out there that you can just type in calorie calculator and then you'll just put in your weight, your height, your age, and it'll tell you approximately how many calories your body uses every single day for its normal functions and how many calories you need to be eating in order to be in a calorie deficit. Now back to the tip of water. So since we are in a calorie deficit, of course that means that we do need to eat less. Not starve yourself, but eat less. You need to control your portions and just, watch what you're eating. Now, a way that has really helped me to do so is by drinking water. I actually drink minimum 1 gallon of water every single day, plus my coffee, my tea, my water during my 3 meals of the day. So during breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And that's something I do every single day. It's not forced. It's just the reason why I do it is because it keeps me hydrated and also it keeps me full throughout the day. That's why it really helps with weight loss, and well, at least that's why it helped me, is that when I'm starting to feel a little hungry, I just drink some water, get back to whatever I'm working on, and I'm not hungry anymore. Of course, then I really start to feel hungry. I'm not gonna just have water, then I'll go and have a snack, or maybe it'll even be time for lunch. But just sipping on that water all day long, you'll see how it'll help just keep you full and you won't be thinking of food all the time, because trust me, I've been there too, don't worry. That's why I'm making these videos for you, to help you out. Now, of course, when losing weight, it helps to keep you full, right? To lower your calories and help with your calorie deficit. But there are really benefits to drinking water. First of all, it helps support your digestive system, which is also great when losing weight. You don't want to feel bloated and be, constipated or anything like that. You want to help speed up your metabolism, because we all know if you do have a slow metabolism, that is a factor that can make weight loss something that is hard. So if you're drinking water, that can help speed up your metabolism. It supports your digestive system, which will once again just help you lose weight. Now, I personally love water. Maybe it's just because I've gotten used to it over the last couple of years. I don't drink juice. I just always have water. Even when I go to a restaurant, I don't take a soda. I just always ask for water by choice. Now, I know that isn't the case for everyone. So what you need to do is find ways to have your water. And a couple examples is number one, tea. You can have tea just because it is flavored, you're still drinking water. So if you have one tea a day, try having two. One of my favorite ways to have water during the day that just tastes so good is to make my homemade lemonade. I have showed you guys this recipe a couple times on my Instagram, which, by the way, go ahead and follow me at Marie Caldonado. But yeah, right now I thought I would share with you how I make my homemade lemonade that is healthy. It tastes so fresh and it just helps higher my intake of water every single day, and I'm sure it'll help you too. So now let's just head on to the kitchen and I'll show you that. So now I'm going to show you how to make my favorite lemonade. Of course, I did take here a really big lemon that I washed. So let's just go ahead and cut it up first in half. So what you're going to do is squeeze the first half of the lemon right in. I have this huge mason jar here. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell how big this is. Look, compared to my head, this is a smaller one. Do you see how big this is? Try to get a really big one so that you can really fill it up with a bunch of water, and then just keep refilling it, and it'll really help you in higher your intake of water. So I did fill it with some ice. So now you're just gonna squeeze half of this lemon right in. Then just take out any seeds. And now for this, we will be cutting it up in slices, and then we will just put it into our glass and just put them right in, just like that. Now we'll go ahead and fill it up all the way to the top with water. There you go. Put in your favorite glass straw, mix, and there you have lemonade. Of course, you can add in some sweetener or sugar to just sweeten it a little if you do find it too sour, but of course those things do bloat you. So if you really want to avoid those foods, I wouldn't suggest to go ahead and put some sugar. But wow, you guys, that is so good. The next section that I want to talk to you about is about inflammation. Obviously, when we're trying to lose weight, being bloated and just feeling inflated is the worst thing. You know, we're trying to lose weight, we're trying to lose fat, and then we just have so much water in our abdomen area. First of all, hiring your intake of water will help flush out that excess water that you have in your body. But another factor that can help you with this is your food, is the nutrition that you take every single day. So when eating throughout the day, if you are feeling bloated, or even if you're not, just to help prevent it, prioritize anti-inflammatory foods. Tomatoes are very anti-inflammatory. So for lunch, try to prioritize a side of like a tomato salad. Another anti-inflammatory food is nuts. So you can have almonds or walnuts. There's also olive oil, cinnamon, turmeric. So that's what's good with, you know, cinnamon, turmeric, is when you're making stuff, try to just, you know, sprinkle those on top. Obviously, it has to go and blend with what you're eating, but if you have them there, get those two spices at the grocery store and place them near your kitchen so that when you're cooking, you can see them, remind yourself of them, and try to use them as much as possible. For example, I love to put cinnamon in my coffee in the morning. Another very high anti-inflammatory food is green leafy vegetables, specifically spinach and kale. Now, once again, I know that not everyone loves to eat that, so I will show you in just a second my favorite way to incorporate those foods in my everyday life without having to actually cook them up and have them as a salad. Anyways, you'll see. And finally, the last anti-inflammatory food is fruits, but specifically berries. So strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, they are very anti-inflammatory. So now I want to show you how I get these foods almost every single day, I want to say. And it's not hard at all, and it is by making a smoothie. We'll get to the kitchen and I'll show you how I make this smoothie. Trust me, it is delicious, but you'll see. I really hope you try it out for yourself. But now, once again, let's head to the kitchen and I'll show you guys how I make this delicious anti-inflammatory smoothie. Now I'm going to show you how to make this anti-inflammatory smoothie. So like I said, of course, you do need these leafy greens. So my choice is kale, and I like to get it frozen. So just put a good amount of that in your smoothie. Then you want to go in with berries. Specifically, your choice of fruit should be berries because they are the most anti-inflammatory. So put in, once again, a good amount of that. The next thing I suggest that you use in your smoothie is yogurt, and that is because that they have a lot of probiotics, which is a really healthy bacteria for your digestive system, which, just like hiring your intake of water, this will also support your digestive system, so, and help this de-bloat. So just take, what I like to do is take this 0% fat Greek yogurt. It also has a good amount of protein in here. That's why I suggest getting Greek yogurt instead of just regular yogurt. And just take a really big tablespoon of that and throw it in there. It'll add a creamy texture to your smoothie. It'll add probiotics, protein, so that's why I love to add it in here. And the next thing I'll do is just fill up with some water and blend it up, and that's it. Now that that is all blended up, let's just go ahead and put it into our mason jar. Once again, put in your favorite glass straw. It tastes so good. You don't even taste the kale. It's as if it's not there. It's as if you're just having a fruit smoothie. So this is what I love to have on those days where I'm feeling bloated. My next tip for you is to stay organized, because that will only help keep you on track. That is something that I changed in the last couple months, and that's, I think, what really helped me see results. So I have an agenda that I use every single day, and for every day I write down my to-do list and what I need to do. And what I started doing is, at the top of every week, I started writing out all the healthy habits that I wanted to do every single day. First of all, that just helps remind you throughout the day what you have left to do, and it also just helps motivate you when you see that, okay, you still need to have a tea that day, or you still need to go for a walk. It helps keep you on track with, you know, what's happening and your weight loss journey, because sometimes we can just have these things floating around in our mind, like, oh yeah, you know, I need to go for walks more and I need to drink more water. But if it's not really written somewhere where we can see it every day, we just forget about it. By having it there, I look at my agenda every single day. I am remembered of what I need to do. The next tip I have for you, once again, this one may not be a surprise, but it is to move your body. I wrote this down once again, but did you know that you need to burn 3,500 calories to burn 1 pound of fat? So that's why what I like to do is kind of mix my workouts along with just some walking. I also found that this depends on your weight, height, age, and everything, but walking 10,000 steps will burn between 300 and 400 calories. So that's why I really try to walk a lot as well as work out, because you always have to keep that in mind. 3,500 calories burned equals to 1 pound off, which also ties in with your calorie deficit. If you can lower your calories that you're eating throughout the day, mixed in with the calories burned from your workouts, mixed in with the calories burned from your walks, if you can reduce 3,500 calories at the end of the week, you will lose 1 pound. Now, at the beginning, it might be easy. You might be like, you don't know doing it, but then you'll notice that you won't be motivated anymore. So you need to keep yourself motivated for these workouts and just to move your body. You need to enjoy it. I remember I got really tired at one point of going to the gym, doing the same exercises every day. I just got kind of bored. It just became repetitive for me, and I wasn't enjoying it, so I stopped going. And now, since summer has come around, I have started playing tennis. I have started going for more walks. I've been going on hikes in the woods, and I enjoy that so much. To me, that's not, in my head, it's not oh, I'm going to work out now. It's an activity. I'm excited to go do it because I genuinely enjoy it. But yes, at the end of the day, after I played tennis for 1 hour or 2 hours, I just worked out for an hour or two and I burned calories. So that's why it's really important to find what you actually enjoy doing so that it becomes an enjoyable experience, and it's not just, oh, I'm trying to lose weight and I need to burn calories. You're actually having fun, and that will just help keep you going and be more consistent, because that is the key when you are trying to lose weight. You need to be consistent. You can't do this for 1 week and see results right away. You need to keep on going. Do these tips every day for a month straight, and you will start seeing some real results. And the last tip I have is that you need to stay focused. There will be your family, your friends that will always want to influence you, that will always want to grab pizza every single night or go get ice cream at midnight every single night. You know, you need to be able to have discipline and stay focused on your end goal. I'm not saying that over the weekend you can grab some pizza and have an ice cream. I'm saying when it's just a regular, you know, Tuesday night, do you really need that ice cream at midnight right now? I think you have a goal and you need to stay focused on that goal in order to really accomplish it. Be consistent, stay focused, be patient, and you will see results. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope these tips will help you guys out. Don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy it, and of course subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!